Hey guys, I'm Steve with Disconnect for Adventure. Thanks for joining us for another episode. Today we're looking at something cool that we got for Christmas. So stick with me and let's check it out. So the Devos Lightranger here has 4 different sides to it. They can all be illuminated at once, or you could do each side individually. You could do 3 sides, 2 sides, 1 side, and make it whatever's best for you at camp. It gets very bright. You can hold the button down and it'll dim to different various levels of brightness too if you want it, less bright for your camp. The nice thing is that this pole extends over 9 feet tall. So it attracts all the bugs to the light and it keeps the bugs away from you that are sitting at the table or walking around in camp. It's a great feature. It illuminates the camp really good. We'll take a look at it tonight and I'll show you what it looks like. But so far, we're really in love with this thing. Also, it's got an internal battery on here. It charges via USB. It takes a couple hours to charge and it holds the charge really good. We used it all last night. We're gonna use it all tonight and we'll see how long it lasts and if it is good enough to last a couple days at camp. So we'll get back to you on that and stay tuned. So as the camp's getting dark, we're preparing dinner right now. And we just lit up the Devos Lightranger. And this thing just puts out a tremendous amount of light and just lights up the camp completely. I have it set kind of short right now just for demonstration purposes, but see if you can see the difference with it on and with it off. So this is how dark the camp is with it off. And then as I turn it on, you can see how much light it puts out. I know it's hard to show on camera, and if it gets too dark, it won't come out at all, but it is fantastic. And the best part about it, besides the light itself, is keeping it high up in the sky to keep the bugs away. So it's a great addition to any camp. I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, but I think it's a worthwhile investment. If you're interested, I'll throw the link down below. And we'll see you on the next one. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more gear reviews and adventures. Take care.